Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2023 Acura MDX? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Explorer. Engine compartment fuse box type A. The engine compartment fuse box houses essential fuses that protect various electrical components from overloads and short circuits. It is securely covered and contains clearly labeled fuses for easy identification and maintenance. Engine compartment fuse box type B. Driver's side interior fuse box type A. The driver's side interior fuse box protects interior systems like power windows, locks, seats, lighting, and infotainment by interrupting power during electrical faults. Each fuse is labeled for easy identification. The fuse box helps maintain the proper operation of these features by preventing damage from electrical overloads. Driver's side interior fuse box type B. Passenger side interior fuse box. The passenger side interior fuse box supports systems like climate control, audio, power outlets, and airbag sensors. It protects these circuits by interrupting power during electrical faults. Rear fuse box type A. The rear fuse box controls and protects electrical components located at the back of the vehicle, such as rear lights, power tailgate, rear seat features, and climate or entertainment systems. It prevents damage by cutting power during faults. Rear fuse box type B.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.